Well, hello everyone. My name's eToy, and I am the founder of Toys Closet Shop. And I wanted to get on here today and do a quick video of how I make my satin bonnet patterns. Now, I had several people ask me how do I do it, so I wanted to make a quick video. The supplies that you're gonna need is craft paper, scissors, measuring tape, and a pen. And the craft paper looks like this, and it comes from Hobby Lobby. I forget which area of the store in Hobby Lobby, but they do carry that. And the measuring tape is a body measuring tape. And what I'm gonna do is just jump on right in here and get into it. So you're going to take the craft paper and you're going to fold this in two. Up one, over one. And I will be making a 12-inch satin bonnet pattern. All my patterns, they come in 10, 12, 14, and 16. And it should be folded. The folded ends are on the side and at the bottom, and the open ends are up at the top and the side. Something I wish I would have known before I started cutting when I first started this. You want to have it folded correctly. So next what I'm going to do is take my measuring tape, and I'm going to take one end of it and I'm going to put it over in the corner, and I'm going to measure over, since this is a 12-inch bonnet, I'm going to measure over 12 inches. Let's see, can you all see that? Let me move my camera. Okay, there we go. There we go. So I'm gonna mark right here at 12 inches, and then what I'm gonna do from there is grab the measuring tape that's over in the corner and move my measuring tape up a little bit, and I'm gonna mark that again. I'm gonna mark at the 12 inches on the measuring tape. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna continue to go on up and measure 12 inches, go up a little bit, measure 12 inches until I get all the way around. Making sure I keep that measuring tape in the corner, down in the corner. Don't want to move that. Like I said, guys, this is easy. You know, it may not seem easy to those who have not done this before, but if you keep trying and it's something that you want to do, just keep at it. You'll get it. I didn't know what I was doing. So you're going to have these dots that's going to go in this direction. You can connect the dots, or you can just leave it as is and just cut along the dots, or the lines, or the line that when you connected the dots. Okay, so now you will have a shape like this if you follow the dots or the lines correctly. And one thing that's important is you always want to mark your patterns. You always want to know what that pattern is, so when you double back to use it, you can just look down at your pattern. You can mark right on your pattern. So what I'm doing here is I'm gonna put 12 inches, so I know that this is a 12-inch pattern, and I'm also going to put bonnet on her so I know exactly what it's for. And this is the pattern. This is exactly what it looks like. And when you undo it, you have a complete perfect circle. 12, and that's from my 12 inches. And this is what I will use to make my bonnet. So yeah, guys, it's that easy. It doesn't take any time, you know. Just take your time when you're making your pattern, and you should be able to get it. So I would like for you guys, if you like this video, to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave them below, and I'll try to get to them as soon as I can. And thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it.